Have you ever wondered how your body knows what to do with the medicine you take? When you swallow a pill or receive an injection, the journey that medicine takes through your body is nothing short of remarkable. Today, we're exploring how the body clears medicine it doesn't need, ensuring we stay healthy and balanced. Once medicine enters your body, it's carried by the bloodstream to reach its target, but not every trace of it is needed. Your body has an efficient system to process and eliminate what it doesn't require. The liver is often the star of this show. Acting like a sophisticated processing plant, it metabolizes the medication, breaking it down into forms that are easier to deal with. This process transforms active substances into inactive forms, ready for disposal. Next, the kidneys come into play. These remarkable organs filter out waste, including the inactive byproducts of medications. As blood passes through the kidneys, these byproducts are removed and eventually leave your body when you urinate. This natural process ensures that unnecessary substances don't accumulate, which could otherwise lead to toxicity or unwanted side effects. But that's not all. Some medications are expelled through bile, which is produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. This bile helps to break down fats and carry waste products out of the body, playing a crucial role in this elimination process. What happens if these systems don't work correctly? If the liver or kidneys are impaired, it can lead to the accumulation of drugs in the body, which might cause adverse effects. That's why it's crucial to understand that dosages are carefully calculated based on how our bodies process them. Always follow your healthcare provider's instructions, and never hesitate to ask questions about how your medications work. Your body is a finely tuned machine, working tirelessly to ensure that medicines do what they're supposed to, and then leave without a trace. It's a fascinating process, keeping us balanced and healthy without us even realizing it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and stay curious about the incredible workings of our bodies.